With the Vivo V11 taking most of its features from the Vivo XS, like the design and most of the bezel, well, this doesn't that special since the notch at the top practically does enhance the smoothness when scrolling down the toolbox. But with its predecessor, the Vivo XS, starting at a Snapdragon 845, the V11 comes at Snapdragon 660. These including phone battery optimization, the battery life, the gaming immersiveness, and also the general app performances. May be okay for an average mobile phone user, but for one with a budget so limited as to below $400, can last up to a day on almost maximum usage, I'm thinking the Poco F1 would be better. The Poco F1 having a Snapdragon 845 as compared to the Snapdragon 660 of the Vivo V11 tends to perform better with respect to battery life and optimization of your entire phone. With respect to app updates, also perform better in this aspect. So, for your best budget smartphone, we're giving it to you as the Poco F1.